Hey, Tech 413 here, and well, it's a cloudy, overcast kind of day. Thank God for the transition lenses. So I got a question. I just hit 1,000 subscribers, and I was talking to my apprentice today, and kind of thinking maybe I should go back to school and become an engineer. And here's why. Hey, look, I'm somewhere in a solar field. Yeah. Maybe. Tech 413 here with another tip. So I got these Chippewa boots from Bob's store, and it's snowing outside right now. It's getting pretty crappy. I've been applying stuff, but you can see they're getting used. I got this liquid silicone at Bob's store when I purchased these boots. Now the deal with this stuff is it stinks, but that right there, you want to soak the seams and spread it on the leather to help give you some better water resistance, waterproofing. And being a construction worker, as you guys have seen on my channel lately, it little things like this, just taking some time to do it, really make all the difference in your comfort level. I mean, I forget how much this was. It was only a couple bucks, but I'd do it again. It's quicker than a polish. And typically I'm only going to go up to there. I don't really need to do the whole boot. Just enough to keep it waterproof. Now I'm soaking it on because I don't do this as often as I should. And this is a case where probably a dab will do you. But the bigger the gob, the better the job. Because it's 11 o'clock. I got work tomorrow. I got to be up early. So I'm just going to do this to both boots. Anyway, when you buy a new pair of leather boots, especially a pair that costs a couple $100 like these do, you're going to want to take care of it. Doing solar and working the site I am, your feet are one of the most important tools you got next to your hands. I got some reviews of gloves coming up, because the gloves that I have right now, they're my favorite gloves. I got a pair last year from a different company. They're made by Toa. They got the mark of the beast on them. However, they're warm and they work. So my biggest concern is puddles, built up snow. But since I started when this video turned on, now I washed these off and I tried to get most of the crud off of them. But as you can tell by this color liquid, I really don't care. As long as I get it soaked, I'll be happy. I mean, yeah, it turns it darker and whatever. I used to polish my boots all the time. Military family, used to do my dad's too. And I miss it. But now I got kids and I probably try and get them to do it. And I understand now. Little by little. Day by day. So I hope everybody had a successful Monday. I hate Mondays. Mondays are the worst. The fact that I survived another Monday is a huge, huge thing. Tomorrow my boots will be a little bit better at waterproofing. Another good thing. I know it says waterproof. It was when it was new. See, what had happened was I just liberally apply. The silicone oil is cheap, and it's gonna flash off pretty quick. I'll show you the first boot we did in a second. You just really want to just soak all the seams, especially, but you get the leather, it'll help keep all the crap from soaking in. And yeah, I do this once every couple months. Ain't that big of a deal. Well, it's that first boot compared to that second one there. I'll show you in a second. See how fast it soaks up and how shiny it is. Anyway, Chippewas. Electrical hazard, made in America. Better, in my humble opinion. And this junk pair of Red Wings which I did take care of. But let me tell you what. The soles are separating. They are not waterproof. And you can't re-sole these Red Wings. Utter junk. I'll try and refrain from cussing. Anyway, I got a project coming up. Might be interested in. I didn't record any of this part, but this is a shaded pull motor. There's a little push button. I'm going to add a cord, and basically it's a demagnetizer without the rotor. I got that cooking. And I want to do a midweek video. Anyway, I appreciate you all coming out. Have a good night.